The Python RE module gives you a choice of 4 matching operators, and they are available in 2 versions. One that is a function within the RE module that can be used directly, like in this case, so where the 2 arguments would be the regular expression and the text that you want to search with the regular expression. And the second version is a method of a compiled regular expression, which we will see in a moment. So these 4 operators are match, search, findall, and finditer. And match determines whether the regular expression matches at the beginning of the string. So unless, in this case, hello is the first word inside the string, it won't match even if it occurs later in the string. Search, as we have seen, scans through the entire string. Findall would find all the positions where the regular expression matches and return them as a list. And finally, finditer would do the same, but instead of returning the matches, it would return the match objects as an iterator. That's more efficient, and also the match objects allow you to get more information about the matches, and we'll see that in a later example. So which one should you use depends very much on your application. Obviously, searching only at the beginning of a string is faster. So if you know your regular expression is going to match at the beginning of the string, is by all means worth using this operator. If you can match anywhere, you can use a search, and you have these 2 options if you're interested in finding all matches. Otherwise, search will only find the first match.